Okay, got me a Festool cordless drill, 15 volt, wireless brush, interchangeable chuck, 3/8 to half. Tool I really like, but you know, there's a lot of claims that says that this thing can, because it's a brushless motor, you can immerse it in water, dust, dirt, whatever, still going to work. I gotta admit, I'm a skeptic. I'm the kind of guy drives up to a fast food line and sees a big picture of a perfect taco that's filled with meat, and the taco I get has got this little smattering at the bottom with some cheese and a whole lot of lettuce. You know, I don't really appreciate it. So I'm going to try some things. I got some dust here that was collected from a room that was sanded, drywall, sand, the mud. You know how fine and silty that stuff is. So I thought I'd start off by just completely, you know, this is a new drill, so I'm taking kind of a risk, but I'm going to dunk this in this dust here and just coat it completely. Let it get into the vents and everything. You can see the vents here. Just covered with dust inside and out. Still works. Okay. So let's drive a screw. What do you think? All right. We'll get this screw in. About a 2-inch screw, and I just buried it a 1/2 inch into this 6x6. So far so good. Here comes the one that bothers me a lot. I've been raised never to get tools wet. They got electricity in them, right? So they're saying brushless motor, you can get it wet. It's beyond me, but I'm going to try it. I don't think there's enough voltage here to really hurt me once I pull the trigger, but here we go. Okay, completely immersed in water, soaking that sucker. And here for me is a really big test. Still working. Okay, let's try putting the screw in. Getting kind of worried I may end up eating crow here. Okay, lots of torque. Buried it. That's good. Okay, moving right along. Got a thing full of sawdust here. You know, obviously on a construction site you get a lot of sawdust. And now it's wet, so I'm kind of doubling the problem. Let's see if I can get this thing to shut down. I got sawdust and I'm sprinkling it on there, getting the light on. And there's a nice patty cake drill right there. I'm going to rinse my hands off. Okay. Yeah, still working. Alright, let's go with the drill. Drill the screw. Let's get the screw in and see if it works. Okay. Yep. I think I stripped that one a little. Well, it's driven flush. I think I had it at an angle, so that's my fault. Let's dip this in water again. If one good turn doesn't work, let's do another. And I'm in kind of a dog mood, if you follow me. Alright, nice and wet. Still working. Alright, I got sand here. Looks like kitty litter sand. It's kind of got some lumps and chunks in it. I figure wet sand, grit, you know, thing's not going to work. So I'm trying, people. Okay, here we go. Get that on there. Lay it on thick. Come on. Let's get something going here. Okay. One test. Yeah, it's still working. Alright, let me see if I can drive this screw. Probably without the sand in the head, though. That might have been one of my problems. Okay. Let's go with this here. Well, what's that? See what's happening. Maybe this is some electronic fail-safe or something. Let's see what happens here. Wonder if it's the battery. Bunch of grit on there. Seems to be the battery, I guess. Thing's talking to me. Alright, where's my screw? Get my grit on there again. Alright. Oh, wrong way. So what's happening here? Am I making my point, or is this thing gonna still defeat me? I should be able to beat it up, right? Let's beat it up a little. I think the trigger's stuck. And I know that that's going through a couple of problems, but that's also pretty impressive. I've never even dipped a power tool in water before. But okay, there that goes. Okay, let's see if it goes through the final test here. I was going to make some drywall mud. You know, supposedly you can drive a mixer with this thing, so I got a 1/2-inch chuck here, and I'm going to go ahead and switch out the 3/8 chuck and put on the 1/2, which is actually the reason why I bought the thing. Switch the mode here, and let me put some water in that drywall mud. Let's mix. Alright, well, that worked. It's like Mama makes. Alright. I'm going to get this mud in here. I'll tell you what, I'll probably cook with the thing too, I guess. And what I'm going to do now is just get this mixer off. And this, I think, is going to probably be the ultimate test, but I got an 1 1/8" auger bit, and I want to try to put through that 6x6, but I'm going to dip it in this drywall mud first. Nice mess. Let's see what happens. Yeah, man, I'm going to need to clean that tip off. I got so much crap on there. Let's see what I got here. kids, don't try this at home. Well, hush my mouth and call me corn. I would have bet that it wasn't going to do that. So, I got egg on my face. Alright, I don't think I said my name for this video, so that's a good thing. But, yeah, I guess I just bought a good drill. So never mind. This thing, in case you all are interested. God, I hate to be a salesman now because I just realized that I'm not going to be able to make the claim I wanted to make. But this is that Festool thing right here. That's the Festool drill, and I don't know what else to say, but definitely impressive.